Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix marathon game crashing, crashes as a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. Solution 1 is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and then turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to a restore license. Select marathon game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out, and then wait for a few minutes and then log in back, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, networks, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works to fix the issue. Solution 5 is to enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Then turn off enable HDCP and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Solution 6 is to change console language. So open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to the language section, then select your current language and then try changing it to English or any other language to fix the issue. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now you can go ahead, launch the marathon game and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 8 is to delete game data and cache. Please take a note, you must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected progress loss. So go to settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5, navigate to console storage, delete. Select marathon game and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So open PlayStation settings, navigate to network, set up internet connection, select your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose do not specify for DHCP hostname. In the DNS settings, choose manual and enter primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it. And for the proxy server, choose do not use and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then launch the game and check. Solution 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then you can reinstall or transfer the marathon game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve marathon game crashing, crashes as startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.